Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Nice cold windy day, getting ready to split some wood, fill the trailer up. I'm gonna get everything going. I'm gonna work this couple little piles up and I'm gonna start cutting some more, but we're gonna run this today instead of greasy. And today I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna take this 4-way off and we're gonna put 6-way on, and we'll see how that does. So far I really like that 4-way. You know, you can run one through, get it in fours, and then raise it up, run another piece right underneath it. So I'm still learning this machine. Greasy here is just a single wedge. Everybody tuning in, so that's what I'm used to running. Just a single fixed wedge. So the 4-way and 6-way, I'm getting used to it. So everything I've seen online and watched on YouTube, you know, everybody says the 6-ways are picky. So I don't know. We're going to find out. If you have run one, please comment below and let me know if there's a trick or something you like or prefer, or what size rounds are about perfect to go through yours. I ain't gonna measure these today. I'll just kind of eyeball them. Most of these look like, oh, I don't know, over here about 6-8 inch pieces. Might be a 10. So mostly 6 to 8 there. So we'll see. About the same way over there. And I think that'll be about prime for that 6-way. I'm gonna find out. So I'll set the camera up, get everything started, running and going, and we'll come back, see how this thing does. And I'll give you my thoughts at the end. And we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. I'll get everything set up, be right back. everybody. I got the equipment shut down where it ain't so noisy so you can hear me. I got the generator off and stuff, but I think that went pretty well. I like that 6-way. I really do. So get over here and try not to block the shadow. But someone asked before about the gap. It's only, I don't know, camera did getting good or not, about a 1/2 inch from the tip to there. It does have a little bit from here to there, but it splits really good. And if you'll notice in the video, I got that hatchet. I even have problems with old Greasy over there, and it's even closer than that. The actual plate right here is only, shoot, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch from it. I mean, I set it right up against it. But that white oak is so stringy. It doesn't matter what you have, it's stringy. You still got to do that a little bit. And if you don't know what cottonwood is, you're blessed. That's stringy, and so's elm. Elm is a nightmare. But now, like, I'm sure I run the 4-way with it. Red oak and maple. There's very little maple here, but it's good. I mean, it just splits and just smooth as butter. But just saying, it says it's so stringy, it's like splitting a cotton ball. That stuff just strings together. But I can get more done, and I know everybody's speed, but I can get more done with a 6-way than I can that single way over there, that single wedge, even though that one now, that 4-inch cylinder's probably got and they're both 24-inch strokes. I need to time these. I hate to say anything, but that one's probably a 7-8 second cycle time, and this one says 15 on the box. I don't know. But don't forget, you're getting multiple pieces at a time out. Not just one, splitting it and then rolling it over and doubling it and getting it in 4s, 2s and 4s. So you go 6 and 12, you know, with this. And I did learn one thing. Instead of fighting it, splitting it with the 4-way and the 6-way, because I never had one, you know, I was trying to pull the piece every time I pushed the round through. Don't do that. Just roll you another round up and push it on through. And then you don't have any problems. Everything goes through. So, but I like it on this. Like I said, I'm eyeballing, guessing these about 6 to 10 inches what was in here. Different size pieces. I've split it up, and it seems to work real good with this 6-way. And I got a lot done quick with that 6-way. I mean, it was just busting pieces through, just crazy. So I cannot wait to get a hold of some red oak out here. There's a bunch of them, but mainly white oak right now I'm on. And like I said, that stuff's just stringy as all get out anyway. It doesn't matter what you use, you're gonna have to hatch it a little bit out. But this is making wood so much faster, even with a slower cycle time. Everybody harps on that. Than this. This thing's about twice as fast, old Greasy is, than this one, just because of that 1-inch cylinder difference. But I got a 22-gallon pump on that versus this 18, and that makes a difference. But I'm getting more done with a slower cylinder because I'm getting more pieces at a time. So don't forget that. I mean, everybody seems to forget that part. You know, you got 6 pieces at a time going out or whatever. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it'd be 6 pieces at a time. We double it. 6, 12, 18 versus 2, 4, 6. You know, it don't take long to add up. That little bit don't make much difference when you're getting that many pieces at a time. But this thing is working great so far. I love the splitter. I absolutely love this splitter. And like I said, I will put the info on the end of the video, name and phone number. Jefferson City, Buckeyes got these right now, the only place I can get them. So I will leave the name and phone number. If to the one in Jefferson City where I bought this, ask for Greg. Great dude. It was easy to set up, and if that one's not close to you, hopefully you got a different Buckeye, you know, close to you. If not, I think they're working on shipping on these so they can get them out. So Buckeye, ship, get the shipping done. People want them, but I love it. I am so happy with this so far. I am loving this, and I bought this mainly as just a backup while I'm building the other big ones. But so far, for the money, like I said, for $3 grand, I am just absolutely loving this thing. I am so happy. I am so happy. And I paid for this out of money in my own pocket, you know, no sponsors on this. And for what it is, I love it. And I did fix, tuning in, you need to do this. Right here, I will leave the video, how I changed this, at the end of this video, somewhere there, along with the Jefferson City number to Buckeye. But all you do, you change this one piece out right here, and I will leave an Amazon link for this at the end of the video as well. It's 2 bolts. And you take this link out and you clock it, because this is horizontal when you get it. This little piece on this was $15, and now it's vertical. I don't have to stoop over. This is a must. So later I'll probably change the tires, have bolt-on wheels, raise it up just a hair, and fix the tongue, but that's it. Like I said, this is a super easy platform to modify. I mean, this is kind of like those, like I said, for $3 grand, you got a lot of mod here for the money that you can improve on. And so far, there's only 3 things: the handle, the tongue, and I want to do that so I can get it over my conveyor. Most people, it won't be a big deal. If you don't have a conveyor, it's not a problem, but I can't get this over mine, so I'm gonna modify the tongue a little bit where it's removable. I can pull it out from under the pan and raise the height just a hair. I'm gonna switch these tires out, probably just welded axle unders I got. But like I said, this is like those 1165V vertical split fires everybody's getting and modding because they're cheap, just modding the crap out of it. And there's a guy, Derek Stuff, if you're looking at one of them split fires too as well, I'll leave a link to his channel. Check him out. He has an awesome video on that little 1165V where he has just modded the crap out of that thing and just constantly improving. He's got a lot of homemade equipment like I do too. Built a lot of his stuff just like me. You know, I built old Greasy here, which I haven't covered right now, but I was gonna make a video with this. So, but so far I am just absolutely ecstatic over this little splitter. I don't see how you can go wrong on this. Like I said, that 6-way works real good with those 6 to 10 inch pieces, and I want to make a video so you guys could see it. But like I said, I'll leave a link to Derek's channel on his splitter, and I'll also leave a link for this, an Amazon link, where you can get this deal. It's 2 bolts, 15 bucks. Change it. This is an absolute must no matter what. Even if you're just doing a few rick a year, you need that handle, and it's only $15 to fix it. And I'll leave the video at the end of this one how I did it. Super simple. And there's a link at the end of that video actually. So you know, just go watch that video. I won't even put a link on this one. I'll just put the link at the end of the other one. It's already there, but it shows you how I did that. Super simple. And I guess that's it. And I'm still leave questions below. I'm still making little notes. I'm gonna do an overview of this and answer questions everybody has about it. But 6-way is working good. Everything's working good on this. I love it. So I'm gonna play with this 6-way some more, and I'm still learning this. I'm used to the old single fixed wedge over there, but so far I am just thrilled to death with this thing for the money. I really am. And I'll leave the number and everything at the end of this video for Buckeye in Jefferson City. Ask for Greg. He's the one that got this for me. And that is about it, I guess. That's all I can think of. So all that stuff will be at the end of the video, except the link for the part. It's on the other video, so go check the end of it out where I installed that and changed it out. It's only an 8-minute video, so, but it's on there. So I guess that's it for the video. So as always, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.